Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix games lagging on iPhone after the new iOS 18 update. So guys, here are some tips to help fix game laggings on your iPhone. If you are facing this issue, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is close the game. Which game is lagging? Close the game app like PUBG. Simply close the game app and reopen it and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying this solution number two. Solution number two is make sure your iPhone is connected to a smooth or stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi signals is weak, simply connect your iPhone with another network to fix this issue. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is update the game app. Tap on the App Store app. Tap on the game app. If game update is available, simply update the games and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is update your iOS device. Tap on the settings. Tap on general. Tap on the software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number four is not working, now applying the solution number five. Solution number five is reset network settings. Tap on the settings. Tap on general. Little bit scroll up. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Reset network settings to fix this issue. If after reset your network settings, your problem is not fixed, now reset your iPhone all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset your all iPhone settings to fix this issue. If solution number five is not working, now applying the solution number six. Solution number six is make sure these games servers are down. If your game server is down, wait few minutes to fix this issue. If solution number six is not working, now applying the solution number seven. Solution number seven is disable all background activities to fix this issue. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, contact the support.apple.com for further assistance and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix games lagging on iPhone after the new iOS 18 update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.